Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new video. This time it's my lip balm collection. I'm actually a lip balm junkie. I love hoarding lip balms. I love collecting lip balms. So I have around 11 to 12 lip balms in my collection. The price range starts from 36 rupees to around 800 rupees. So I'll share all the lip balms with you one by one. So let's quickly jump into the video now. So the first one is this Nivea Watermelon Shine Caring Lip Balm. So this comes in a bullet packaging. So the lip balm is pink in color. It gives a very mild tint when you apply it on your lips. It's actually very moisturizing and nourishing on your lips. It has a mild shine also. So this the fragrance is actually watermelon fragrance, which is not at all synthetic or artificial. It's purely natural fragrance. I love applying this lip balm on my lips. You can use it as a daytime lip balm. It's not thick or waxy. It's little bit what do I say, creamy in texture, but not very thick or waxy. It's a wonderful lip balm at this price. One of the OG lip balms, and I love this. So there are many variants in this collection. My favorite is this watermelon shine. So the next lip balm is this cult favorite Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask X in the variant Berry. So most of you would know about this product. So this comes in a cute tub packaging. It does not have any lip applicator or anything as such. You have to pick it up from your with your fingers and apply it. So the lip balm is in a baby pink color, but it does not have any tint when you apply it on your lips. It is quite thick and creamy in nature. It gives a gloss to your lips when you apply it. As the name suggests, this is a lip sleeping mask. So you can apply it overnight. This would be a bit heavy if you apply it during the daytime. So you can apply it in the night time and leave it overnight. When you wake up in the morning, you can find that your lips are quite soft and supple. This heals chapped lips as well. This has worked wonders on my dry and chapped lips. So I love this lip mask. It's a bit expensive actually, but considering its performance, I would say it's decently priced. So the next one is this OG Vaseline Lip Therapy Original Care. This is in the variant Original Care. It does not have any color. It comes in this cute packaging. Again, you have to pick it up with your fingers only. There is no lip applicator for this. uh, what do I say about this? This is very moisturizing, very hydrating. It's quite thick in nature. So again, you can apply this as a lip sleeping mask, overnight mask, and leave it on your lips. It gives a gloss to your lips when you apply it. It does not have any tint, as you can see. So it's very nourishing to your lips. As it says, it helps moisturize dry lips. So it's quite true to its name. It's actually a lip therapy balm. It gives a wonderful gloss to your lips. It makes your lips very soft and supple as well. So the next one is this Himalaya Natural Moisturizing Lip Butter. This comes in a very cute tub packaging. So I have been using this lip butter for the last 5 to 6 years. I have been repurchasing this. This consists of cocoa butter and sal butter. It has a very nice fragrance. I believe it is the fragrance of cocoa butter. It has a very nice fragrance. I love the fragrance of this lip butter. It's very moisturizing and nourishing on the lips. It gives a gloss to your lips when you apply it. Within 2 to 3 hours of apply, not even 2 to 3 hours, within 30 minutes of applying this, you can find that your lips are very soft and supple. I love this lip butter and I have been repurchasing this. This is one of the very finest products of Himalaya. So the next lip balm is this Himalaya Rich Cocoa Butter Lip Care. Again, comes in a bullet packaging. It's brown in color. It does not leave any color on your lips. It's colorless basically. It has a mild fragrance, natural fragrance, which could be that of some kind of butter. Maybe what do I say? It could be that of cocoa butter or something. It's not at all irritating or disturbing to your senses. When you apply this, it makes your lips very soft and shiny. It would require reapplication after 2 to 3 hours, but it's a very good product of Himalaya. Next one is also from Himalaya. This is their basic lip balm, which says it nourishes lips, prevents drying and chapping. It consists of wheat germ oil and carrot seed oil. So it comes in the squeezy tube packaging. It does not have any color. It has a very mild fragrance, a very mild synthetic fragrance, but it's not irritating to the senses. It's actually a very good lip balm at this price, especially when you apply this. It leaves your lips very, very soft, and it moisturizes your lips very well. So you can see this. It comes in a little bit of runny. It's not very thick. It's of a runny texture. It's a very nice lip balm. It's at this price, especially. This costs around 36 rupees. One of the finest lip balms, I would say. The next is this Himalaya Strawberry Shine Lip Care. So the lip balm is a bit maroon in color. When you apply this, it gives a mild tint to your lips. It has a fruity flavor, which is slightly synthetic in nature. It's not very natural. Uh, I think they have changed the formulation and the fragrance now, because when I used it a few years ago, I used to love the fragrance. It used to have a lovely strawberry fragrance, and I would love the fragrance, and it used to be very moisturizing. But this time I find that it is not that much moisturizing. This is a very average lip balm when compared to the other lip balms and lip butters that I had shown you from Himalaya. So this is the next lip balm from Dot and Key. This is their barrier repair ceramide plus peptide lip balm. It consists of SPF 50 PA+++, so it provides sun protection as well. It is in the variant plush pink. So it has color. It has a mild pink color. When you apply it on your lips, it leaves a mild tint to your lips. This can be a dupe for the Laneige Lip Glowy mask. Actually, I had recently done a shorts comparing this one with the Laneige Lip Glowy mask. It's a perfect dupe for that. As it says, it protects plumps and heals lips. It's very good for chapped lips. You can apply it during daytime and walk out in the sunlight. Because it offers sun protection. It gives a beautiful gloss to your lips. It makes your lips soft and supple. It's an extremely good lip balm. I would highly recommend buying this lip balm. So this is the next lip balm. This is from Sugar Pop. It is their nourishing lip balm in the variant 6 Strawberry. So this lip balm is pink in color. It has a very mild tint, a pinkish tint, baby pink tint. So it's extremely moisturizing. It nourishes your lips. It gives a shine to your lips. It has a fruity fragrance, which is not artificial or synthetic. I love this lip balm. It comes at a very affordable price. One of the best buys that I would say. So the next lip balm is again from Dot and Key. This is their Gloss Boss lip balm with vitamin C and E and SPF 30. It is in the variant Strawberry Crush. So the lip balm is red in color. It gives a tint on your lips when you apply it. It is not as glossy as the other one, the barrier repair that I showed you right now. This is extremely glossy like the Laneige one. This is not as glossy as this barrier repair one, but however it gives a good shine to your lips. It says it is vegan tinted non-stop shine, but it provides shine to your lips. You can use this as an alternative for lipstick. People who do not like wearing lipsticks can apply this lip balm, and it can be used as an alternative for lipsticks. So this is the next lip balm, which is from Laneige again. This is in the variant Gummy Bear. This comes in a squeezy tube packaging. It has a wonderful tint. So when you squeeze the product out, you can see it's purple in color, baby purple in color. It gives a mild tint to your lips, extremely glossy and extremely nourishing. You can apply it during daytime or nighttime on your lips. It leaves your lips soft and supple. So you can apply it on top of your lipstick as well. It can act as a lip gloss for your lipstick. I just love this lip balm a lot. I love the color of this tube packaging especially. It performs very well. It is a bit expensive, but it is true to its name. It's a lip glowy balm. So this is the last one from my collection. This is Indie Wild. So one of the most trending lip balms currently. It does not have any color. It comes in this squeezy tube packaging, no color. But it's extremely glossy, extremely nourishing. It heals chapped lips. It says it's a dewy lip treatment. True to its name, it's very dewy and glossy when you apply it. Within half an hour of applying it, you can find that your lips are very soft and supple. I love this lip balm. This is the most expensive lip balm in my collection. It costs around 799 rupees, uh, but it's worth the money, I would say. It's a very good lip balm. People having very dry or extremely dry or chapped lips can try using this once. So this was my lip balm collection, guys. I believe you would have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your family and friends. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also ask your family and family members and friends to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care. See you. Bye bye.